Again, we are back again, and we have Oluchi God in the building. Let's hear from you, sir. Good morning to you from my end.
Yeah, well done, Kai.
There was sir.
Yeah, I greet you and everybody. I just came in. Dadu. Tutu ọma nwanne mmadụ. Like I said, I got triple M. Yeah, I would have my idea. I'm a bold one. So, I know briefly, one of the reason I did not go to Finland, one show of shame that these people exhibited in Finland.
That's the only thing they can do. Can they offer another thing?
Look, everybody, my working man, anybody, when he won't believe in.
Exactly.
If Chuamo Nkoma with my wife, I think with this stupidity, I will divorce her. I'm not talking about those bunch of single mothers named people like Nkiru, Wada Tina, in the island here, Goa, what be showing anybody. So, but all wouldn't know how can they call that woman in particular. This level of even this Mama Gabu who came late to embrace being.
Wait, Nkiru also I didn't know on.
Mbamba Nkiru no UK here now. You ebe Rose na Tracy see or no always very foolish. On na UK now. On na United Kingdom.
And she's not. She don't. She don't have husband.
Rose, na me dey ask Rose. Maazị onwe ndị a nwere so for ma be no but I be Europe I ma wetin ihe I ma Europe so all those show of shit me and hand is susare your government of the prime minister of a nation in have na more be na place this is you can never see this kind of thing anywhere in the world. Reserve here computer. In your hand, look, I'm now, or they're trying to show love. But do you know what grass to say? All that glitters are not gold.
I don't see that as show of love, to be honest with you, sir. Because
no, I'm not saying. I never said that it's called show of shame. Yes, always you want to go. This show of shame. That woman can never be. That one can never be your wife, please. So ask Banana, I won't know here. Go for it. I'm not saying so, but what
your voice is not name, sir. What God, please, your voice is not name.
Okay.
Kita kebia.
Are you hearing me now?
Loud and clear. Now it's perfect.
Okay, yeah. So, as I was saying, this is the reason I did not go back to Finland. Because Mazika, if I am standing there, none of them know who I am. But based on during the declaration and the time for preparation during Helsinki, come from this bunch of criminals. I did not made the court. And email back and call police in Finland and arrest you. Sometimes people need to know. Look, you can hold a European passport, but then it's not in hand. The car is not in hand.
Yeah.
So that is the difference. So, but each time I understand after regretting it, I begin to be excited for not being there. Oh, not do I with trauma Obama. So, what he is today.
Yeah.
You enthroned him. So you are here. You only remember that being John there. Go and what person resisting everybody from coming to see your battle. So now here you are. I think just 2024, you were obedient. You are fighting someone. Look, I got a question.
And the idiotic woman was busy questioning Luchobi.
You understand?
Can you imagine?
This is going to none of them was relevant. One single of them was really, they are not in the cabinet, they are not in decision making people, nothing. Amazing this show of amazing ownership. I want how to put it in English. This show of ownership of being. Among where he's coming from. But now, guy, I want to conclude. I don't want. Look, I do not like to waste people's time. Listen to me. The first day had to do this madness. Oh, when you about to be, if you recall, us na onye ọbụla chere because people were like skeptical about eme ihe nke a ma wee mee all this not gabe already mụ na gị ga-agago Finland hụ ya I know what we spoke about mgbe ọ sị onye ọbụla chere ha ọgụ ya ha ọgọ ya enwe ihe na-eme these people amaghị na Simon Warus they just don't want this onye Oluchi ga na-esi eso mmadụ maghị onye ọwụ the same as Ohamadike who can place a curse on somebody onye ha ga nwụọrọ onwe ya they don't know. Yes, ndị niile gbara mgbe ole ka dị ndụ ma ndị niile si ha ga-eme Simon a lot of them ha nwụrụ n'ihu anyị mysteriously we don't know what happened to them all prominent people. So sometimes people amaghị iwu onye Igbo ahụ m onye Igbo but o nwere ndị na-ekere ọzọ pụta so ịpụta you don't die those creators ị nwere ike chema gị na ha na-eme ihe but before any step you make they know ama mgbe m na-agba ya gbasara all these things ha na-eme but ihe na ọ gaghị eme as a prime minister of everybody wo to single people out for it ọ pụtazie ya atụ onye ọbụla mmehie n'anya gwakpekpene ka ha mata ọ wụrụ remember mgbe ọ jiri Dr. Rabeze na Uche Obi na Dr. Dorothy mgbe ha na-emehie inaugurate ọ jụrụ ha you nwere any problem working with Dr. Dorothy ihe o ji jụọ ajụjụ ahụ ọ wụrụ inwekwe problem gị si n'oge pụọ gị si ya mba Dr. Rabeze was not even the head of that committee or Dr. Dorothy I told Dr. Rabeze if I was part of this committee do you have any problem working with Dr. Dorothy yes ya mba ọ sị na ihe o ji na-ajụ ajụjụ a na ọ chọkwaghị igbo ọgụ what does that tell you no mean na ọ ma na ụmụ nwaanyị ihe ga-eme
anything is possible
so that is the thing so but ihe ha mere ọ bụrụ na m nọrọ dị a nwanne I'll call everybody out ihe ndị ọzọ ga-emewa gị ha wụ ihe m ga na-eme so but having said that they have gone and disgraced themselves they have gone and disgraced their families they have gone to show how stupid they are they have gone to show how gullible they are how delusional they are your prime minister you love prime minister you don't love Ngozi Orebeze you love Nnamdi Kanu you don't love Dr. Orebeze ihe ha mege when Obatobi was present in presence of Obatobi they were trying to fight this woman with everything they have the one actually Obatobi this woman no go area you can't know her because the only woman Obatobi every time he had a discussion on what the next action to take, the next other place to move forward, the next to get to another level. All discussion every second. But today, the same people who talk her favor when she was COS today. Anthony Joshua can conclude by asking this question to this foolish woman called Chomo Okoma. All this going on in here now PM. Ọwọ́ ìṣọ́ra na PM. What next? I ask, what next? That woman, the husband, no matter how would the same thing and take pets. They should just go and fall into the how that would won and many more. How indeed. They have shown that they are agents. They came there for nothing, just for nothing. The bottom one is
sure.
This is unbelievable. We have money. Ndewo Maazị, thank you so much. Agaje m ọrụ na anaghị just
And there
focus
was a
na
thank you so much. Thank
Ndewo.
you. God bless you. God
God
bless
bless.
you. Ah, God. Okoma na Libya. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oluchi. Yeah, man. I give my son.